In today's short analysis video, we will discuss on Microsoft Corporation stock. Dear friends, this stock has broken up from an important support level, and along with that, there are multiple negative factors which has already been triggered, and it would allow us to capitalize an opportunity to short sell this stock. We can initiate a short sell position before a massive downside correction get triggered. Dear friends, we will discuss all important factors that will going to lead the downside correction according to the technical analysis. If Friends, if we'll make a closer look, this was in bottom where the stock had started a massive upside rally in the form of upward sloping parallel channel. And as long as the stock was trading under this upward sloping parallel channel, the stock got triggered with back to back higher highs. If we'll make a closer look over here, this was a first higher highs, this was in second, and this was in third. But as soon as this upward sloping parallel channel got trigger on the downside, first time its higher highs sequence shifted to lower lows. And here we got a two major negative signal. The very first negative signal is upward sloping parallel channel get break on the downside. And whenever we are on the, according to the technicals, if you're on the profit side, and if you find your trade break the downward parallel channel, immediately you have to protect your profits. Immediately you have to protect your short term profits, because breaking of parallel channel on the downside, that's a signal of triggering a trailing stop loss. And after breaking the parallel channel, the stock further shifted its higher highs sequence to lower lows, and that is a second major negative signal. And whenever the higher highs get shifted to lower lows, we take that area as a confirmation that stock has entered into an correction, and you have to avoid a fresh buying position. And in fact, if you get a negative breakdowns, then you can initiate a short sell. And finally, my dear friends, we will see the third major negative signal, and that will be a diversion. If you place a diversion indicator, you will be able to witness a negative diversion here. If you'll see, the price action is flat, but the RSI is tilting on the downside. So there is a diversion action. The price action is saying it's everything is okay, but RSI is giving you a hint that there is something is wrong, and RSI is not giving you the higher high peaks. It's higher RSI, it's shifting its higher high peak to the lower lows. So there is a clear cut negative diversion, and here we got the breakdown of negative diversion that will going to lead the downside pressure on the stock. And finally, the most important chart pattern, the most important, the signal is chart pattern. If you'll see over here, you will be able to see there is a if you'll make a closer look over here, you will be able to see there is a double top pattern breakdown. If you'll see the first, this is a first top, and this is a second top, and here we got a breakdown. So there is a clear cut double top breakdown, and after the breakdown, the stock has come to retest the neckline also. If you'll see, the stock after the breakdown, the stock came down, and it's go to retrace, it's go to retest the neckline, and exactly at the neckline, the stock faced a rejection, and it's again came to the downside. So here we got, that the retest get failed, and now there will be a further downside momentum it will going to lead. And very soon you will see the first target will be reaching to $425 on the downside, and the second target, the stock will come to fill the gap at 397. So this will be the two major downside target, 425 and the 397. This will be a short seller targets. And if you'll see the stop loss, that will be the midline of this range. This is an area 523, that's a red line, that will be an that will be an stop loss for the short seller. And my dear friends, This area of neckline will act as a strong resistance. Earlier it was in support, but now the support turned into an important resistance because multiple negative factors got triggered over here. This was an area where we have seen the upper parallel channel got broken down on the downside, higher highs shifted to lower lows, and here we have seen the negative diversion between the price action and the RSI, and there is a negative chart pattern breakdown, double top pattern breakdown on the downside. So with due respect to all the negative breakdowns, this area of neckline so far was in support, but now it has turned into an important resistance. And this is it for today's analysis, my dear friends. If you really love my analysis, then please subscribe to my channel and share with your family, friends, relatives, whoever interested in stock market, so that they can learn the technical analysis and they can earn a handsome amount of profits. Thanks. Bye bye.